Arrange fresh flowers for wedding bouquets. Wedding is an extravagant event that should be given high importance. Any bride, like you, would want to have a very special and memorable wedding. In all wedding preparations, flowers are the common factor. You can contact your local florist or wedding experts when you want fresh flowers for your wedding bouquets. But when you want to do it yourself, or if by any chance you plan to make this a living, here are a few tips on how to arrange fresh flowers for wedding bouquets. Gather the materials for the wedding bouquet. For wedding bouquet flower arrangements, you will need to prepare the following: bouquet holder, flower arrangement foam, fresh flowers of your choice, like roses, lilies, iris, carnations, and orchids, sharp knife or flower cutters, ribbons, or flower laces. Pick only the freshest flowers available. In fresh flower arrangement, you must be well aware that only fresh flowers should be used. Make sure their stems are cut in such a way that there is still a sufficient amount of water source from the stem. This will help keep your flowers fresh even after shipping and storing. Usually fresh flowers are assembled in a bouquet container with foam in it. Fresh flower arrangement for wedding bouquets. First step is to get the bouquet container or holder and immerse it in water for at least 8 hours. Remember that this container is also the flower's water source. Next we go to your greens. You must be able to get the nicest green leaves for your bouquet. Cut it to at least 5 inches long, then place it on the edges circling the foam of the bouquet container or holder. Now we go to the main attraction of this piece, your fresh flowers. Get your cutter or scissors. Take out at least 3 inches of the stem off the flower, then properly arrange them in the middle of the foam. This will create a centerpiece-like design, therefore you must ensure that the fresh flowers are placed in accurately. Use the other fresh flowers to add as design to your centerpiece. Small pieces like daisies, or mini carnations, etc. Baby's breath is also a common flower or plant that is added to complete the look of your fresh flower bouquet. Finally, you can creatively put a ribbon or tie it to the handle to finish your fresh flower bouquet. Do you hear wedding bells yet? With this amazingly easy procedure, you are sure to wow all your guests at the wedding. Remember to pick out only the fresh flowers. Be keen in cutting the stems so as to keep the freshness of the flowers. Make sure that your holder and foam are properly hydrated. Be cautious of how you choose your flowers as your focal bloom. There is a wide range of fresh flowers to choose from, which you can easily search on the net or ask your local florist on. And most importantly, as the bride, you must know the motif, the design, or style you would want for a perfect fresh flower bouquet for your wedding.